Hello students, this is Dr. Anand Pai coming back with another problem in 1D motion kinematics. This question has appeared in JEE 2025 and let us look at the question. Okay, the question goes something like this. A particle moves along x-axis and it has a displacement x varying with the time according to the equation given. Okay, where C0 and C are the constants of appropriate dimensions, then which of the following is correct? So let us look at it. First one is the acceleration being 2 into C plus C0, acceleration of the particle being 2C0, the acceleration of the particle being 2C, and the initial velocity of the particle being 4C. Let us look at one by one. First of all, what is given is x is equal to C0 into t square minus 2 plus c into t minus 2 the whole square. Whenever acceleration velocity is asked, we have to directly differentiate. And here x is a function of t rather than t being function of x, which is seen in other problems we have solved previously. So let us differentiate with respect to time. So dx by dt, which is actually equal to velocity, is given as, when you differentiate this, we get C0 into 2t, right, plus c, right, into, when you differentiate this particular thing, you will get it as 2 into t minus 2, right, 2 into t minus 2 into 1, because when you differentiate t, you will get only 1 there, right. So velocity would come as C0 into 2t plus 2c into t plus minus 4c, right. Next, let us differentiate this again to get the acceleration. So when you differentiate this, you get d square x by dt square, which is equal to dv by dt, which is the acceleration, which is given as, when you differentiate this particular one, you will get, see, c0 into 2t, we will get 2c0, right, plus 2c into t, you will get 2c, and this is a constant, so it will be 0. So the acceleration what we will get is 2 times c0 plus c, right. So the answer comes out to be 2 times c plus c0. But let us look at some other one also. This cannot be right, wrong, but this one, you see, the initial velocity of the particle is 4c. Let us look at this. What is meant by initial velocity? Velocity at t is equal to 0. Let us look at that. Velocity at t is equal to 0. Substitute t is equal to 0 here. You will get it as minus 4c, which is not this. This is plus 4c. This is minus 4c. So this also is the wrong answer. The answer is only A, which is 2 into c plus c0. I hope you have understood this, students. Any discussions is there? Any further? See, whenever we go for a problem, we have to see, can there be some other problem? Can there be this particular question, they could have asked here and put a minus 4c, and this might be a multiple selection question where more than one answer may be right? So you should have ticked both of them. So this kind of thinking is very much required. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, students. All the best. Happy learning. Thank you.